In today's video, I will walk you through how to sell fund on Vanguard. There are two ways to sell an investment from the dashboard. The first method is to click Portfolio in the top right corner and then select Sell. The second method is to click Investments and then choose the index fund or ETF you want to sell. To sell an investment, locate the fund or ETF you want to work with and click the three dots beside it. You will see three options: top up, sell, and switch. Select sell and then click continue. Next, choose where you want the money to go after the sale is completed. You can either pay it to your bank account or leave it as cash in your ISA. After making your selection, click next. On the following page, you can choose how you want to sell your investment. The first option is to enter a value. Type the amount you want to sell and then click next. The second option is to sell by units. Switch to the units option and enter the number of units you want to sell. After entering the number of units, click next. If you want to sell your entire holding, select all and then click next. You will then be taken to a review page. Carefully check that the amount or number of units you entered is correct. If everything looks right, click submit. Your sell order will be completed at the next available trade point, which typically takes place twice a day. To check whether your order has been completed, return to the overview page. That is how to sell a fund on Vanguard.